Come on. It's all good. Okay, so front and rear diff enabled. There you go. Man, that's why I love Jeeps. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe. As you guys know, I really enjoy driving Jeeps, so this is what we're driving today. Let me show you guys around the truck. Yeah, let me show you guys around. She's just a beauty. Of course, I had to get her on top of the rock because, you know, why not? But a beautiful Jeep, as you guys can see. I like the blue accent on the hood and the hooks. Big off-road tires. It's a Rubicon, of course, so she's a rock crawler, so I had to put her on top of a rock. But soft top. You got your spare tire in the back. And of course you can remove the top and whatnot, but you know, I'm not about to do that because it actually takes a while and it's a whole ordeal to remove the top, so I'm not about to do that. But beautiful Jeep indeed. We're gonna go ahead and take her on top of the pile of dirt back there that you guys are also familiar with from my previous Jeep videos. But yeah, let me show you guys the interior. Nothing too fancy, you know. Cloth seats. There's no leather in this one. But you have your screen right there. It says Wrangler. The soft top. In the back, same thing. Nothing too special. But if you guys want to see a detailed view of the interior of this truck, I mean, just watch my other Wrangler video with the Jeep Willys 4xe. With this one today, well, we're just gonna have a little fun. Climb the mountain back there. I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this Jeep. I just want to have fun with it, so that's what we're gonna do. So let's go. Just watch and enjoy. To be honest, this video is not scripted. I don't know. I'm just gonna be in my playground. Ooh, my GoPro just fell. But to be honest, I'm just gonna take this thing out in the wild and just have fun with it. So let's go. All right, so let's get the Jeep off the rock. Slowly. Piece of cake. Oh yeah. Piece of cake for the Jeep. Yeah, so she just came from all the way down there. I don't know if the camera do adjust it, but it's actually a pretty steep climb. But yeah, it's a Rubicon. What can you expect? You guys are familiar with my playground. Just giving you guys a 360 view in the middle of the Everglades. I want to pull something. Let's go pull something with the Jeep. And of course we have to go back down, so yeah, let's do that. I like how I'm already like a pro at this. This is the small pile of dirt that the Nissan Titan Pro 4X couldn't climb. Let's see how the Jeep does it. It's okay. Lightweight. You guys see why I love Jeeps? I mean, these things are badass, man. Badass. Look what I found, guys. It's an abandoned boat. All of a sudden, I get the urge to just move it out of place. Like, it can't be there. I just have to move it at least an inch. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, so I'm on top of the Jeep. That's a pretty old boat. I do see there are some bees inside of it, so I'm not gonna try to get inside, especially since it's also very dirty. I wish there was like some hooks or something. I'll definitely pull it to the side with the Jeep. But we're gonna move it somehow. Let's see what I can come up with this thing. But look at the control panel right there. Yeah, this thing is abandoned. Yeah, so we're just gonna have to we made contact, guys. We made contact. Boom. Whoa. Okay, let's back up. My wheels are spinning. Let's go into Fort Low. Put it back in drive. That way we are in 4-wheel drive. Made contact. Woo! Oh yeah, we moved her. We're gonna push her a little more. Oh shit. I think I just fell into a ditch. All right, at least we moved the boat. Don't judge, I have my own ways of having fun. And to me, that was fun as hell. But yeah, goodbye boat. This is where not too long ago I got stuck with the Toyota Tacoma. You guys think the Jeep can do it? I'm pretty sure it can, but just in case, I don't wanna risk it, guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure the Jeep can do it, but there is no one else out here that can rescue me if I get stuck. So I don't know if I should give it a shot. I don't know, guys. I'm not gonna risk it. I gotta be somewhere in a little bit. So I don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna climb it because I can see why I will get stuck. And that's because once I make it to the top, it's not leveled. It's actually like a little, you know what I mean? So if I try to climb it, yeah, the front wheels are not gonna have traction. But I can definitely come the other side and come down. That we're gonna do. Make a U-turn here. Hopefully we don't get stuck that way either. Oh, I can't see nothing. Let's see. Let's evaluate the situation. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stuck, so I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, sorry guys, it's not worth it. Not today, not today. You can hear all the mud coming off the tires. There's people boating and camping here in the Everglades. That's pretty cool. Off-roading, currently doing 70 miles an hour. Huge cloud of dirt in the back. Okay, so pulled up very far away from civilization, and I thought it would be a good idea to let off some shots. So we're gonna pull out the handy dandy Glock, and I got my extended mag right over here, and yeah, let's shoot some shots. Gotta get my ears plugged, of course. Got one more. I hit my target every single time. Every single time. All right, guys, check this out. There is an alligator right here, and she is huge. My God, look at this thing. She had the whole body out of the water. She's like up to here. But look at that, guys. That's what you see when you're in the Everglades. And I'm pretty sure there's more around here. So yeah, I gotta be careful. But yeah, there she is. But ain't she a beauty? We gotta take her to a car wash now because she's extremely dirty. You dirty girl. All right, let's go. All right, guys. With that, we conclude this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe for more car content and more adventures. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys from the next one. Peace out.